Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a different look. This like bra girl makeup tutorial. I've seen e-girl, I've seen soft girl, and I just wanted to do my own little take on like the bra girl makeup and like what they would wear, like what they would, I don't know, how they would do their makeup. This was just a lot of fun to like, I don't know, kind of like imagine what they would wear. So like I thought they would wear like more dramatic eye and then just like the lips glossy, because I feel like lipstick is a little more like high maintenance to take care of, I guess, because it like gets in your teeth and like I don't know, but whatever. Oh, and this video is gonna be a voiceover instead of like me real life like talking you through it while I'm doing my makeup. Just because like I want to try different things, see what you guys like more, so comment down below if you like the voiceover videos more or if you like me like talking you through it. And also in the next clip I'm going to have my eyebrows on. My eyebrows are not naturally like that perfect, so yeah, don't be surprised. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera like I said, and now we're going to start by priming the eyes with this Smashbox Photo Finish primer in the color Light. We're just going to put that on our eyelids and blend it out with our finger so it'll melt the product. To start off the eyes, I'm taking my Urban Decay Smoky Palette and my Farah 35E eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take this like cream color and I'm just going to put that on the top of my eyelids. With the same brush and the same palette, I'm going to go in with this darker gray color, and with a very light hand, I'm going to put that on the outer crease of my eyelid. For my liner, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner liquid eyeliner. My camera never focuses, so here's me struggling. But now I'm going to be doing like a more dramatic wing than I usually do. We're going to add a little bit of a curve to this wing as well. Now that the wings are done, I'm going to be lining the rest of my eyes off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, my wings are done and I look really happy about it. I don't know why. With my Marc Jacob eyeliner in Royal Blue, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over the black liner that I just did with the blue. To really clean up that eyeliner, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair, and I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to clean up the eyeliner on the top and on the bottom. To make everything blended one more time and seamless, I'm going to go in with the same brush that we were using before in the same palette and take that cream color that we used on the crease of your eyelid and just put that on one more time. Here's me breaking my neck. I know it's really yummy, so you're welcome for that. To line my waterline, I'm going to take my Starlit Studio Art Boss Face and Body Pencils in the color Black. I'm just going to line my waterline, and I'm also going to line the top of my eyelid and kind of like under my eyelashes, like the top inside line. To add some pop to this eye look, I'm going to take this e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow in Teal Eclipse, and with that same brush that we used to like clean up the liner, I'm just going to take some of the shadow on that brush and just tap some on the inner corner of my eye. Moving on to the lashes, I'm going to take my I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara in Essence, and I'm just going to coat my eyelashes with that to prepare them for the falsies that I'm going to use. These are the lashes, and I got them in a pack from Marshalls. They're kind of wonky, but I'm going to put them on off camera and I will be back when they're on. These are what they look like, and now moving on to the face. prime my face, I'm taking the Lancome La Base Pro Perfecting Makeup Primer Smoothing Effect. And I'm just going to put that on my face. Since I want a matte base, I'm taking my Clean Matte CoverGirl Foundation in 520. And I'm just going to dot that on my face. I'm going to blend it out with my Wet n Wild foundation brush. For concealer, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the number 15, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, under my liner, and under my lips. To blend it out, I'm just going to take this concealer brush, which again, I don't know where it's from. It came in a pack, so I'm sorry if you want this brush. To really blend this concealer and make it seamless, I'm taking my Vasanti concealer buffer and I'm just going to buff that into my skin. To set under my eyes, I'm taking my matte Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NC20, and I'm taking that little brush that came inside the package and I'm just going to put that under my eyes to set it. To powder my face, I'm taking this contour brush and this Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in translucent, and I'm just going to powder my face with that. To bronze on my face, taking this The Balm Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer in Oliver, and with that same brush that I used to powder, I'm just going to go over that and bronze up my face. For blush, I'm taking this Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Tint in Work, and I'm just going to put that on my hand. With a stippling brush, I'm going to go over the bronzer with that blush. To really clean up the face, I'm going to take that same MAC powder that I used before and I'm just going to put that right under and brush it off with that same powder brush. For highlight, I'm taking this Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster, and with this Ipsy B36 tapered highlight brush, I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face. We're now going to do fake freckles, so taking my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Brunette, I'm just going to dot a little bit on my finger and then I'm going to place those dots on my nose and blend it out. Then with whatever powder you have left on your powder brush, then just set the freckles with that. To set my face, I'm taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and I'm just going to spray that. To do the bottom of my eyes, I'm just taking a flatter eyeshadow brush and with the same palette that we were using before with the gray color, I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my waterline and smudge it. So I wanted to be a little bit different and try this metallic liquid lipstick that I got from Forever 21. But as soon as I saw it, I was a little bit shook and I thought I looked like an alien. So I decided to take it off. And I'm gonna go in with my Fenty lip gloss and just put that on my lips. So that's it, and here comes the outro. Okay, so that is the end of the look, and I really like how it came out. I like the eyes, and the blue lipstick obviously did not work out as I intended. That was kind of like the main focal point of the makeup, but like if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. So, but other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Comment down below like what kind of other looks you want me to do. Give me some feedback, some constructive criticism, and then I can improve on my next video. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys in my next video.